Alright, so today I have decided I'm going to make some more bookmarks. I ended up making these two, and I really like how they turned out. So now I'm going to add a little bit more detail to the next ones. So let's go ahead and set these aside and get set up. This is how to use your scraps. I have tons of scrap. My dogs are going nuts upstairs. Hold on. I have tons of scraps, so I have decided I'm going to make a bunch of bookmarks. So we're going to do 4 today. What we're going to start with are, these are just pieces I have cut for junk journaling. Then what you're going to need are some scrap. I have some scrap pieces of paper here that I'm going to use to kind of fold this over onto. And I have one piece of, actually I think I have 2 pieces of paper here, just in case. I'm going to go ahead and use my Scotch Create glue stick. And we're just going to coat one side. Now you're going to go ahead and take your piece of paper here, put that down, I'm going to take my glue spreader here and just kind of push that down. Smooth that out. Alright. Okay, so we have one. Now what I like to do is fold these pages over, just so you have that little crease in there. And then I'm going to cut. And all I'm going to do here is cut right like that. Cut this down a little bit. I don't need that much. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue and we're going to glue these sides down. And now what I like to do is just reinforce that with some glue. And now you're going to set this one aside and let it dry. And I'm going to go ahead and do the last 3, and I will be back. Alright, now we have all 4. We're going to go ahead and grab some, I'm going to place this off to the side, and I'm going to grab some scraps. I have all my big scraps in here, so I'm just going to pull these out and see what I want to use. From these here, I'm going to use this one. I might want to do something with that, so I'm going to set that off to the side. I think I'm going to use this one, that one, and that one. I'm going to go ahead and grab all my other scraps here. These are just scraps that I wanted to keep for something. Didn't know what. So I'm glad I did. So we're going to set these off to the side for now. Alright, let's go ahead and take one of these. Okay. I think I'd like to start with this. I think I want to start with this one. So, first thing I'm going to do is take my glue and glue all over here. so this page sticks. And then just push it down. Don't worry about the overlay. We can cut that in a minute. And this top part, don't worry about that because we're going to fix that too. Yep, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and put my glue on. And then set that on very carefully. And cut the excess off. Okay. Now I want to fix this. Yep, and I think I know exactly how I'm going to do it. Now we can just cut this off. There. Okay. I think I'm going to take a piece of lace and put it right here. Don't need a very big piece. Cut the excess off that. There. Okay, so for now, this one's done. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest, and we're going to have some fun today. All right, there's our next one. Yep, I have an idea. This. I'm going to do the edge here. Here is the start of our 4 bookmarks. I am super excited. I really like these. These turned out really nice. Okay. Now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this up into probably 2 or 3 videos because this would be way too long if I kept going. And I'm not sure you guys would be willing to sit there and watch me do this for another hour. I'm going to get everything ready, like what I would like to put on these. And I know one thing. I'm going to be putting some lace and an N on one of them. And then I do have some stuff over here, like by me. So just a little sneak peek at what we're going to be using. I got a little frame here that I'll be using. And we got some stamps here. And I got some stickers. I am super excited about finishing these. If you're interested in the next video, make sure you keep watching because it will come out tomorrow. Enjoy your day. I hope it's fabulous and have a great weekend. And I'll see you soon.